Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove save video option on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then to remove save video option on our TikTok post, we need to go to our setting. Go to your profile first, and then you can click on the three lines on the top right, then select these settings and privacy. Okay, in the settings and privacy, we need to go to the privacy, and we can scroll down until we find download. Okay, and we're going to disable the video download option to remove save video option from our TikTok post. Okay, and after you disable the video download, other people cannot download your video on TikTok or save your video on TikTok to their device. Okay, and I'm going to check it guys. I'm going to upload a video. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna pick a random video from my device. Okay, this one. I'm just going to add random song as well. Okay. I'm going to upload it guys. And I'm going to try to download it with my another TikTok account. But wait, now the video is being uploaded. I need to wait until 100%. Okay guys, and the video has been posted, and I'm going to switch to my second account on TikTok. And of course, the post will appear right here on my FYP. Or I just want to go to my second account. I mean my first account. Okay. I'm going to refresh it. Okay, and this is the video I have just posted, and I'm going to tap on that. And usually if you want to save the video, we can click on the share. And as you can see guys, that there is no download option or save option on this post, so everyone cannot download this video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove save option on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.